here. That's the train that we'll be waiting for. Not gonna lie though, there's already a few people over here. But today is gonna be it's already its first debut. So I'm literally waiting right now. It's already got 4 minutes left. And I'm not for sure, but there's not a lot of crowd inside that new train. Anyways, we're gonna have to wait for a while then. Alright, get ready guys. I know it's not a lot of people, but my first ride of the C801B, aka the first train to a high screen display. And look where, and there it is. We have here. Whoa. Here we go.
Doors closing. Next station, get home.
So clean, no way. It has this screen display too. It's more unique.
Get home.
Very unique indeed. Oh wow. I'm literally impressed.
Get home.
Right over here.
Next station, take one.
I don't know why though, but first ride. I'm so impressed. I'm very glad that they added the screen display. It's so unique, bro. It's so unique. We got a bunch of train solutions over here. Man, you're not gonna believe how long I tried to go here though. It's so far, very far. Not gonna lie though, but this train has several delays. Like lots of delays. First it was supposed to be debuted in 2020, but then COVID arrived.
Take one.
Then it should be supposed to be debuted in 2023, but then with some technical issues, it was pushed back till 2024, which is the day of its debut. Now, for your information, though, this is not its official debut.
Take one.
Now guys, there's gonna be like 18 of them right now.
Doors closing. Next station, Phoenix.
There's some bunch of train services right now. Wow. Look at it's so white, so bright. You're not gonna believe how clean the room is right now. Not gonna believe it. Wow, it's so clean. I flip the phone, and there it is, the old train. What a historic moment.
Phoenix.
He debuted at about 10:50 something.
10:50. Oh yeah, there are some rumors that there's another train.
It's 137.
Another train.
Yeah,
Train set up.
yeah,
137 now.
yeah.
137.
Where?
When you pass by, you will see.
Really?
Yeah.
Doors closing.
I hope you're right, huh? I hope you're right.
Next station,
Yeah.
Bukit Panjang.
No, it's not you.
Alright, this is gonna be my last stop.
Yeah, later you can see down there. There's one, two,
Oh yeah, just for your information, my name is ZC.
Oh, it's you?
Yeah, it's ZC.
I have your number.
お前はもう死んでいる。何？
ZC lah. Alright, ready guys. It's right here, right here, right here.
Yeah. It's there. Yeah?
Yeah.
Right there. Wow.
137.
That is
Yeah, 137.
137. So far, there's only just one old train being scrapped. Very unfortunate.
Okay, so you are going to post it on your channel.
Do I create a channel?
Yeah.
I could post my R151 videos there also.
Yeah, he's very popular.
R151. I haven't posted train videos for months now because my course, right? I'm literally in aerospace engineering right now, so legit my colleague is so busy.
Yeah, I mean IT now. Third year.
No,
Can you put my channel name on? Like, can you like put my
Bukit
channel name?
Panjang.
Alright, last stop ready
The
though.
next station for the downtown line.
Well, first time they added the
Retrofitted one also there.
Yeah, they retrofitted them in the
Yeah.
this one.
I'm glad that the build is not as chaotic as the R151 though.
Stop it. Get some help.
Alright guys, see you guys. See you in the channel.
Bukit Panjang.
Here we are. Last stop. Woo! This is it, bro. Oh yeah, have fun guys. Have fun. There he goes. Woo! That's a long delay though. 10 minutes waiting though. Legit, 10 minutes delay. In the meantime, there's another train arriving here. On the other side. right over there on the horizon, you can see the oldest LRT, the C801, who surprisingly is still active in service to this day, but not for long though. Anyway, here's a glimpse of it. Yeah, I still like the old one. Look at this. What an iconic view. And that's amazing. Really amazing indeed. Wow. Also a 3-door too. Wow. And there it is. The newest train on the Bukit Panjang LRT. But just take note that this is not its first official debut though. Today is its official debut, a tournament, a full day. So in the very future, it's going to be likely that there's going to be more trains to debut. But the old trains, I was going to say goodbye to them though. An iconic view. And also this train though is already now 10 years old and it's still strong.